Alright, I know people wanted a parts list, so make this quick. Revo cannon. Boom. Roland Sands wheels, 10 by 18. Boom. Caliper rotor. Meancycle. Smooth shorty fender. Boom. Q5 intakes. Cobra engine guards. Low and mean front fender. Hog light helmet. Flats turn signals. Sumo X fat forks. Kuryakyn ISO grips. Kuryakyn bar and mirrors, which were kind of a pain to put on. T-Rex tank bezel. Corbin seat. Quad lock with vibration dampener. What else? V-raised plate mount. Go through the swing arms, pretty cool. R-Knot air ride with 1.5 inch bones. This is it fully aired out. You cannot ride like this. It'll rub. That's all I could think of. I mean, little small odds and ends. 1-inch Revo risers on the bar. Powder coated. Painted that. I gotta take these off. I hate these things. That's about it. Oh yeah, the Meancycles shorty kickstand. Love that little thing. Hey, what the hell, man? Thing's missing. Huh. Alright, that's about it. Holler if you have any other questions I didn't answer. Oh, and down under brake caliper relocator. Yeah, that's about it.